Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter fruit salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, about 3 cups of your favorite mixed fruits like berries and mango, and a few simple items for the dressing. Make sure all your fruits are washed and ready to be cut into manageable pieces. This easy method ensures a delicious and refreshing salad every time. Now let's prepare our fruits. Take your 2 ripe avocados, carefully peel them, remove the pit, and dice them into nice 1-inch cubes. Next, add 1 cup of sliced strawberries, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, and 1 cup of diced mango to a large bowl. Gently combine all these colorful fruits, being careful not to mash the avocado. For the simple dressing, grab a small bowl. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 1 tablespoon of honey until well combined. A small pinch of salt can really enhance the natural sweetness of the fruits, so feel free to add that in. You can always adjust the honey to your taste, making it a little sweeter if you prefer. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour your freshly made dressing evenly over the mixed fruits in the large bowl. Using a gentle hand, toss the salad until every piece of fruit is beautifully coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Serve your delicious butter fruit salad immediately, or chill it for about 15 minutes for an even cooler treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.